Hi, I'm Maria Elia and I've teamed up with Real Kombucha as part of their Real Chef campaign. Today I'm going to be cooking something really simple and delicious. It's a halloumi, orange, fennel, pistachio and basil salad that teams perfectly with their dry dragon kombucha. So my ingredients in my salad are halloumi, which I've sliced to about 1.5 centimeters thick, some fennel, orange, basil leaves, dry roasted pistachios, just crushed lightly, some black chili flakes, Greek honey, that's optional, Greek olive oil, and dry dragon kombucha. So first I'm going to take my orange and I'm just going to use a microplane just to remove a little bit of the zest. Add a glug of Greek version, extra virgin olive oil. Next, take the fennel, cut it in half, remove the tough core, and then thinly slice. Add the fennel to the orange and the olive oil. Give it a good mix. Add some sea salt and take the orange, top, tail, and then remove the pith. Then thinly slice. And set aside. So I've got my pan, non-stick pan here. I just added a little olive oil. And I've got my halloumi that I sliced into 1.5 centimeter thick pieces. And then I'm going to fry it gently in the oil until it's golden on either side. Meanwhile, I took the dry dragon kombucha. I didn't really have a small enough pan, but I reduced it to a syrup. So reduced it to a gastric really. But here's the halloumi. It's lovely and golden. So, to assemble the salad, I've got my fennel with I was lucky enough to have a few blood oranges left, which was great. Some chopped roasted pistachios. Some basil leaves, some Turkish black chili. My fried halloumi. And then the dry dragon gastrique that we're just going to drizzle over the hot halloumi. Smells fabulous. But if you don't want to do that, then obviously you could use a honey and then just finish with the remaining fennel. Get all the juices out there. A few more basil leaves. Pistachios. And then the chili. And last but not least, just a little bit more of the olive oil. And then all you need is a glass of chilled dry dragon kombucha. And there you have it, halloumi, pistachio, basil and fennel salad with orange, of course. Enjoy.